Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, you know that after Sunday, or some of us know that after Sunday's episode of Isencane Lengane, people were saying, ukuthi, listen, this show needs to be cancelled. It's promoting GBV. Like it was just a whole big commotion. Now Moja Love has released a statement which I'm going to go through. It says, for immediate release incident on Isencane Lengane. Johannesburg, 23 April 2025, Moja Love DSTV 157 has been inundated with media queries, including various viewers expressed or views expressed on social media relating to an episode of Isencane Lengane, currently on season 7, which broadcasted on Sunday, the 20th of April 2025. It is important to note that the show is a reality show which reflects, explores, and raises awareness and contributes to the discourse on gender-based violence, GBV, and societal ills. Now, guys, if I miss or I butcher some words or I mispronounce them, forgive me, because this writing is really small on my screen. It goes on to say the channel has, through many of its social injustice program, played a pivotal role in shaping discourse and contributing positively in society through shows such as Uyaphuza, Mulao Uringi, Skipha Mafaili, Vimba, Sizokuthola, Watwenya, and then they go on to explain like what that show highlights. They go on to say GBV is an endemic in this country, and thus it is important to have conversations, including solutions to combat and confront such as endemic, not only behind the scenes but also in social settings, as it is currently transpiring on social media. And then it has a page number 2 which says, whilst the episode aired on Sunday, 20 April 2025, it is upsetting to some viewers, which the channel takes note of and does not take lightly. It does not indicate or incite and or promote GBV. The opposite, however, is true in that the impunged episode explores misogyny and deep-rooted views of one of the main cast relating to polygamy, albeit ill-advised. The channel has and continues to offer psychological support to Thando affected members, and has done so in the past and will continue to do so. Then they say for inquiries and on, they put all of that. Now guys, I am agreeing with other people ukuthi angizwa lento ekhuluma uMoja Love, or maybe some of us have a problem with reading. Now I know there's some people, like, let me just summarize what I think Moja Love is saying. They are saying Isencane Lengane is a reality TV show, and they're saying the fact that they are playing it on TV doesn't mean ukuthi bona they are they are promoting GBV, but instead they are showing the reality of what's going on in some people's homes. They go on to say, if ngempela we were the type of channel that promotes GBV, then we wouldn't have shows like those ones, Sizokuthola, and all of those shows that they mentioned, which are societal issues, including GBV, that they as Moja Love are trying to help society overcome. Now I get that, you guys, but it's just a bit unsettling. And I think the difference with this one, you guys, is that uSiyacela, who is the main person that esilwisana naye kahle kahle, right? He's getting paid for all of this thing going on. I feel like there's many other ways for children, for people, or for us as a society to learn what's going on in people's homes. There's so many shows, guys. Why ningenze idrama or a show lapho khona and put people and act out all of those things? Because I don't feel like it's okay, or at least as a woman, I don't feel okay watching something in the name of that it's a reality TV show, but yet I can see ukuthi she's not being treated well and ngithule. And in the name of siyafunda, hayi me guys, Like there's many other ways ukuthi umuntu angafunda khona. And what's worse, ukuthi yes, people are sent by Afunda and children will be able to see the truth. But at the end of the day, uSiyacela is getting paid for all of this. I'd understand if this was maybe the type of show efana no what is that show? Yeah, Bishop Makam. That show, yeah. I would understand if it's Riyatodela, where a person comes in, where uSiyacela maybe comes to the channel or comes to Isengane Lenga or something like that and then speaks on his life. Riyatodela, people are not getting paid, guys. They come, it's a reality TV show, they speak about Inkinga Zabo, they're not getting paid. uSiyacela is getting paid, you guys. Also, I don't understand why some people are saying ukuthi siyafunda out of this thing. uSiyacela in uzosifunda isifundo. Guys, we're on season 7. Season 7. Season 7 and nothing's been done. Aibo, guys. And then the channel goes on to say, ukuthi no, bona, they have been offering Utando psychological help and they will continue to offer Utando and all affected members psychological help. So my question is, if she's getting psychological help, she has been getting it, ushukuthi ayisebenzi, ushukuthi she will continue coming for the money. So what are we getting taught here? Ukuthi as long as money is there, we can monetize our lives, and everyone must be fine with it because this is a reality TV show. Aye, guys, no, we can't continue to normalize such things. But from what I read, guys, uMojalavi is basically saying, angeke sikhanselishe lento niyahlanya nina, angithi niyayibukela niyazihlanyisa nje nina. That's all I got from that statement. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.